Well, Winston, how come you're such a good boy, huh? How come Winston's such a good boy? You guys getting some drinks out of the bucket? Oh, looks like you got the dirt on you. What are you guys up to, you handsome kids? Winston and Harry. Hey, Winston. Hi. You're such a boy. Well, Deeks, you and Winston seem to be good friends. You get him, Winston. That's my Winston boy. Hey, Win. How come you're all wet and muddy, Winston, huh? Are you a real doggy? I think you are. I think you just like wet and muddy. You're such a good boy, Win. Hey, Win. Well, there you go. Winston. Yeah, that's a Winston boy. And Miss Perla. Oh, you're rowdies. You're rowdy kids. Hey, Perla. What's a Perla doing, huh? Hey, Win. Winston boy. You gonna get Deeks now? Yeah.